Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to insert a text box in Google document, adding creative elements and enhancing your document's visual appeal. To start, open your Google Docs document. This is where you'll be adding your awesome text box. Now head over to the insert menu at the top of the screen. So click insert, and from there, click on drawing or hover your mouse to drawing here and then select new. A new window will appear and all you have to do is to select the text box icon. It looks like a capital T inside a square. Now after clicking the text box, click here or drag your mouse here inside the canvas and then a text box will appear. Now insert any text or feel free to customize your text box further. You can change the background color, border color, and even resize the text box by dragging its edges. So start typing your text inside the text box. And you can adjust the font size, the font, and alignment just like you do in your regular document. So for example, let's type sample and click save and close. So as you can see, it is already added to our Google document. And that's it. You now know how to effortlessly insert a text box in Google document to add a creative flair to your documents. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to insert a text box in Google document. See you on my next video.